Hello, I'm Martin from Ashby's, and I wanted to take this opportunity to answer a question that I keep being asked, quite understandably, about one of our best-selling products, which is Virabact multi-surface cleaner, which is a multi-surface cleaner that helps defend against the spread of the coronavirus COVID-19. And the question that we're being asked is, has it been tested against and will it kill COVID-19? Well, to understand a little bit more about it, we really need to know what COVID-19 is. And COVID-19, or 2019 novel coronavirus, as it was previously known, is in fact a disease. And what you need to do to prevent the spread of that disease is in fact kill the virus that causes it. And the virus that causes it is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2, which has been shortened to SARS-CoV-2. So you're looking for, and this is in fact a cleaner that is proven to kill SARS-CoV-2. And that's exactly what Virabact multi-surface cleaner will do. It will kill SARS-CoV-2 and all coronaviruses. Basically, it will kill 99.99% of them, so practically everything. It will also kill 99.999% of all germs. So it's a very, very effective way to sanitize and clean areas before, reuse, or just to, on a daily basis, really, to help prevent the spread in a workplace or an office environment, for doctors' surgeries, for nurseries, for schools, for hotels when they eventually reopen, and things like that. And like I say, we're selling a lot of this stuff at the moment. We are keeping ourselves in stock, but I am continually asked that question. I'll talk a little bit more now about the product. We're actually doing a video on this machine here, which is an 800 PSI enforcer. So I thought I'd use it as a rather expensive table for our product. But this is a carpet cleaning machine, for those of you who don't know. Check it out. We'll probably put a link somewhere to it. But this product is really, really good because it is food safe, it's non-tainting, so you can use it in kitchen environments if you're sanitizing fridges, work surfaces, cooker hoods. It's safe on stainless steel and stuff like that. And it's actually eco-friendly as well. It's not been tested on animals. It has a 5-minute activation time, so you put it on, you let it dwell for 5 minutes, and then you wipe it off with some fresh water, and basically your area is sanitized and ready for reuse. So it's quite quick in that it kills everything in a 5-minute period. A great way to apply it is something like these mercury sprayers, which are they're reasonably expensive, but you get what you pay for. It sprays on the in and the out. You can use it when it's upside down. It's 360 degree of use, and they last for ages compared to the cheaper sprayers. So I'd recommend one of those for applying it. You can also vary the spray. It's got an adjustable nozzle there. Don't know if you want to have a little look. I'm being filmed by my able assistant, Alana. Say hello again, Alana. Hi. Another thing which the product has, which is really good for you guys and girls out there who are using it, is that it has a number of quite important downloads which are linked on our website. So here we have the material safety data sheet, the MSD sheet, which will be good for you to have. Quite interesting, I suppose, to read through. But the more interesting stuff really is that it has detailed instructions for use. Very, very simple though, but they're there. It also has all the different accreditations it's been tested to. So that's something really that you can read through and you can use in your advertising when you're telling your clients how you clean and sanitize their areas. This is really for their staff or your staff to use. It's directions for use. It's got some nice graphics there which are very, very simple to understand, and tells people about the product there as well. So that's good sort of thing you can put on a wall. Or wherever you stored a particular product, or give out to members of staff. A really good thing is that we actually have the test certificate from Blue Test Laboratories proving exactly what it's been tested against and how it will perform. So that's something that you can have and supply to your customers to assure them that what you're using is the correct thing to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. But yeah, it's safe. on just about all hard surfaces, so it's a great thing to use, and it's reasonably inexpensive as well. So I think it's really going to be an important way to help get everyone back to work when the lockdown finally sort of relaxes a little bit, when it's safe to do so, because everyone, in my opinion, is going to really want to have their workplaces cleaned and sanitized, have this sort of stuff lying around so it can assure their staff they can spray things. We are using it here at Ashby's all the time. We're spraying machines that we're working on when we're doing repairs before the guys are working on them, and we're just generally sanitizing the areas that people are working in to keep them safe. And it's a great way to assure my staff that they are being kept safe through this lockdown period. Really, we're all at work. We're considered key workers as we are in the supply of cleaning materials and the manufacture of cleaning equipment. So it's kept the guys feeling safer and being, actually being safer, which is important, especially when we're working on machines that people have brought in through the door, doing repairs and stuff like that. So it's a great way for you guys to tell your customers, to put it on your Facebook page, to get it on your website, that you have a product that kills all germs, kills all the coronaviruses, to help prevent the spread of COVID-19 and help their customers feel safe, so that when they reopen their doctor's surgeries, their veterinary surgeries, or their offices or their workplaces, we've got a workshop through there. All these places can be cleaned and sanitized, and hotels. Everyone is a potential customer. So it's a great product to get into, even if you're only taking a few to start with, just to make sure that you're sure of how it works and it will work for you. Yeah, it's a great product. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you've got any questions, you can either ask them in the comment section below if you're looking on YouTube, or if you give us a call. My name's Martin, as I said earlier. Our telephone number will be at the bottom of this video, and also a link to our website where you can buy it.